0419er, heavy ready for departure to the north at runway tree 4.
Yes, good day.
Philippine Delta
This
Foxtrot
video
Tango 0419er heavy altimeter 29er.9er2 wind calm north departure approved. Cleared for takeoff runway tree 4.
Cleared for takeoff runway tree for Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
Yes, this video could be the shortest IFR flight using 747, the jumbo jet Boeing. And I could say the flight distance is only 20 nautical miles away from Macau to Hong Kong, which I could see that in that mountain, and that in front of us now is the airport. So let's try to see what we can do with the shortest flight plan using this huge aircraft. So ready for takeoff. On the checklist, parking brake is up, flaps on 10 degrees, fuel minimum, ready to fly. Let's take off. Maintain the center and waiting for the right speed to take off, and that's it. B1 is heard already. Lift up. Landing gear up.
Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, leaving my airspace frequency change approved.
Alright, the speed is about
Tower Philippine Delta Foxtrot
219,
Tango
flaps up,
frequency change.
2000 the level. Okay, it gained the altitude for automatic. Okay, heading west at 300. So then we need to set up our arrival to our neighboring airport. Okay, steady on 2000. Auto thrust is there, out flight director is on, and let's see our flight arrival details. Should be Hong Kong and 25L they recommended. And just like that, set up the arrival ILS frequency on our landing details. Approach limit 159 knots, 159 knots at 30 degrees flaps. And request for clearance then. We are already prepared to land.
Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy is type Boeing B747-800 8 miles west of Zulu Golf Uniform Hotel 1,900 feet. Request flight following.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, Guangzhou Center. Squawk 0777.
Let's bring this up. We we can see easily. Where are these?
Philippine Delta
Why, I
Foxtrot
cannot
Tango
open it.
0419er Heavy. Please acknowledge.
Acknowledge, yeah.
Squawk 0777 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
And we are 1,800 feet.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy radar contact 11 miles west of Zulu Golf Uniform Hotel
I could
1,800
open.
feet. Altimeter 29er.92.
This way we can see much better on 18,000 feet, and then reduce to 5,000.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
I cannot
0419er
see.
Heavy. Did you hear my last transmission?
Yeah, I heard.
Roger Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Philippine Delta
5,000
Foxtrot Tango
feet.
0419er Heavy contact. Juhai approach on 119er decimal 775 723.
Okay, we are about to enter the standard instrument arrival with the level of 5,000 feet, speed of 239. Then we acknowledge our request.
Make right downwind runway 25 left Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
That's it. Well, for now, while we are waiting for our repositioning of our heading. This is the airport that you can see on our left, but we will going to take round to enter the flight path for runway 25 left as indicated in our flight plan. So while we are waiting, let's do it what the things we need to do. So get ready with the approach button. Everything is okay. Yeah, auto throttle is still up. Flight director, our B knob and L knob is on. Autopilot is on. Prepare for landing.
124.05 for Cathay 723.
Yeah, the airport is on our left. Now we have to reduce our our altitude to 2,000, make it 3,000 for a while to reduce our height or elevation. Know the details of the airport also. It is important, vital to know the details of the airport of our destination, especially the elevation, which we're going to use this information as our guide for our landing. Okay, we are coming down. at 4,500 feet now and detecting the glide slope, although we are on the cross path yet. Then we'll just watch out when we are online with the airport to land. Here we go. We are turning now to the right, to the left, and on the level of flight level of 4,000 and still going down to our 2,500, which we need to catch up the glide slope. We are already on the approach mode, ready to hit the approach mode button when we are online with the airport runway. So let's see more here. It's, yeah, our landing banking system will be automatic, and our course would be 250. Just in case you need this for your toga, go around system, that you will avoid disorientation. Okay, here we go. We are already on the curve, turning left. At this height of 3,000, we can go down now to 2,000, 2,005. Actually, 3,000 is the best, but to be sure we catch up our glide slope to level our aircraft much better at 2,000. Okay, 2,000 and waiting. Alright, let's see what's up there. We are turning left. We are turning left on this area at the above the city of Hong Kong, which will going to pass the old airport of Hong Kong, and then while reducing our height or elevation to 2,000 and prepare to land. There you go. Aircraft is bunking now. Let's see. Look at the old airport is there. There. Alright. Then we prepare to land. Reduce now the speed. The speed must be now
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, wind calm, clear to land runway 25 left.
Okay, we are ready. Give clearance to land. So then we acknowledge it. Ready to
Clear
land.
to land runway 25 left, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
You see the elevation we have. I think we need to increase to 5,500 more elevation to go up, just to be sure we're not, we are avoiding the highest peak of the mountain range here. Okay, but I'm sure the flight path is avoiding this mountain range. So 2,000, 2,005, much better for our glide slope to intercept. And then we are ready. Flaps on the 10
Cebu 240 contact ground.
to level up our aircraft. Flaps 10 is there. Oh, now we are on the mountain side, clearing up a way for Hong Kong.
125 for Cebu 240.
2005.
Hong Kong Tower, Air China 118 ready for IFR
You see,
runway
this
25 center.
mountain, we are only, I think, is
Air China
200
118
meters
altimeter,
above.
29er, decimal 92, wind calm. Cleared for takeoff.
In a real life, you cannot do this. But let us see. Okay, we passed the critical height of that mountain on 2,100.
Cleared for takeoff runway 25 center. Air
To
China 118.
put the approach button for ILS interception already. 2005 and coming. All right, at the height of 2,100, we are aligning our aircraft now to the airport. You see the airport is on our front while we are going to watch. We are now aligned with the airport to land. You see that? Okay, we're just watching up the radio signal for ILS frequency to intercept our glide slope signal. Okay, 2,000 feet above sea level and the speed of 190, flaps on the 12 degrees, 15 degrees actually, ready to prepare for landing.
Air China 118 contact Hong Kong. Departure on 122.0. Good day.
At 12,000 or 12 nautical miles,
Hong Kong Tower, Cathay
Hong Kong.
771 ready for IFR departure runway 25 center.
landing gear to
Cathay
be
771
down,
and wait.
ready for landing.
122.0 for Air China 118. Line up and wait, Cathay 771.
Okay, we don't need this. Alright, on this glide slope to detect, our localizer already making up in position to center us in the runway, while the glide slope will appear in 8 nautical miles.
Cathay 771
Alright,
altimeter
9 nautical miles. Landing gear down. You see landing gear is down. Very nice, huh? Almost we are prepared to land. Okay. Making position to land. Ready?
771.
Flaps 28. '23, 24, 25. On the 28 is the flaps. While we are on 6 nautical miles to land at Hong Kong International Airport.
Contact Hong Kong. Departure on 124.05. Good day.
Yeah, the glide slope is already activated and we are now centering our aircraft and entering to our glide slope.
Going to 124.05
Ready for landing.
771.
6 nautical miles. Four nautical miles. 1,000 is our level, and full flaps. Landing gear is down. Full flaps. Landing. Okay, and watch out, auto throttle to put it down or put it off. Auto throttle is off. Alright, then we landed already. Spoiler up. Reverse thrust is on. And oops, somebody's there? No. Okay, safe landing. Go out of the runway at once. There you are, and spoiler up. Apply the brake, and there you go. We landed already. Let's continue our clearance for taxi for our gate. Flaps
Cleared for takeoff runway 25 center.
on the 10%. Okay. Clearance for takeoff for taxi.
Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419
Taxi to
heavy.
gate. Taxi to gate.
Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy, request taxi to the gate.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy taxi to gate 170 via taxiway Juliet 4 Juliet Hotel Victor Uniform 4 Whiskey 2.
Alright, acknowledge the taxi clearance. And we turn around.
Taxiing to gate 170 via taxiway Juliet for Juliet Hotel Victor Uniform 4 Whiskey 2 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy.
Turn around. Yes, it's just like 15 minutes flight for a distance of 20 nautical miles. IFR mode of flying with a large aircraft of 747. Just to show you how to land the big aircraft for a short period of time. Disregarding the time of preparation, our preparation for takeoff, while the landing preparation was done on board, while we are still having a little time. Okay, the video is already on the 24 minutes, and I hope you enjoy our video. But you can see we have in front, we have our aircraft. Let's what you call no notice that we are going to crush them. Oy, you see? Air traffic controller disregards us as a huge aircraft. Wow. Okay, then thank you very much for flight with me, for flying with me on the short flight. We end up this video to make it very short video for you. Alright, thank you, and please subscribe for more video. Will not there are many videos already that I have made when approaching the gate. So what I would like is to end up the video now. But since we are the gate is only near to us, let's complete the sequence, complete the step. Arrival on the gate. You see, our gate is here. Yeah? Let's see. To complete this video until we are connected to the jetway, where we can discharge our passenger. Alright, so parking at the gate is just a little bit like a routine for us already, but still the video is still short for 27 minutes, then we can complete it. Alright, then the gate, we are here. Okay, the pushback car in front of us, and we are at the gate. Welcome to Hong Kong. There you are. The gate will automatically connecting while we put down our parking brake. External engine to put it off. Fuel floor is off. Request for ground services, especially the baggage supply. Our baggage attendant.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy baggage is on the way.
You see the airport. The baggages now will be arranged. The power supply.
Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. Could you please send a ground power unit?
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. A ground power unit is on the road.
Okay, and the catering service.
Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. Could you please send the catering truck?
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. The catering truck is on the road.
And of course, the important one, fuel.
Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. Could you please send a fuel truck?
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. A fuel truck is on the road.
Alright, then that's it. Let us see more on this. Put off the flaps to extract oil. Then it goes. Okay, that's it, and see you on my next video. Thank you.